Good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel Make Your Easy Life. Came to tell you about cleaning agent. Different type of guest room cleaning agent used in housekeeping department from hotel, industries and other areas. Taski R1 to R9 series most uses of chemical in hotel industry for room cleaning. Cleaning agents are the most critical aids of the housekeeping department in their day-to-day operations to keep the room and public area neat and clean. When it comes to cleaning chemical, Taski products are considered as the benchmark in the hospitality industry. There are specific products which need to be used for each cleaning requirement, and these cleaning agents are given specific codes. Example R1, R2, R3. The letter R stands for room care. For ease of identification and use, Taski cleaning agent list R1 to R9. Taski R1 bathroom cleaner, Taski R2 all purpose cleaner, Taski R3 glass cleaner, Taski R4 furniture cleaner, Taski R5 air freshener, Taski R6 toilet bowl cleaner, Taski R7 oily floor cleaner, Taski R9 hard stain remover. What is Taski R1? Where is use? How to dilute? Taski R1 cleaning and sanitizing of bathroom area to be cleaned. All bathroom surfaces, sink, tub, tiles, floors and fittings. How to dilute? For cleaning 20 ml in 1 liter water. For sanitizing 50 ml in 1 liter water. Uses of this chemical agent: spray directly on the surface to be cleaned. Leave for 2 seconds. Scrub if necessary and wipe the surfaces with a clean and dry cloth. Replace cloth regularly. Taski R2. What is Taski R2? Where is use? How to dilute? Taski R2 all purpose cleaner. Area to be cleaned. All type of floor and walls. How to dilute? Normal swelling 20 ml in 1 liter water. Hard swelling या heavy swelling 50 ml in 1 liter water. Uses of this cleaning agent: floor cleaner for glass and floor like Italian marble can be used for wet mopping as well as scrubbing with a machine. Wet mopping solution to be taken in bucket, mop, trolley. Rinse the mop frequently. Use scrubbing machine and pick up direct solution using a wet vacuum cleaner. Taski R3 glass cleaner and mirror cleaner. Where is use? How to dilute? Area to be cleaned: windows, mirrors, glass display cases. How to dilute? 20 ml in 1 liter water for soft cleaning and hard cleaning 50 ml in 1 liter water. Uses of this cleaning agent: spray directly on dry clean cloth. Apply to the surface and wipe with a clean dry lint free cloth. Replace cloth regularly, buffing dry. What is Taski R4? Where is used? How to dilute? Taski R4 furniture polish. Area to be clean all wooden floors and furnishings. How to dilute? Ready to use, no need to dilute. Uses of this cleaning agent: shake the bottle well before use. Spray on a soft dry cloth. Apply to the surface evenly and start buffing. Buff the floor surface twice and replace cloth regularly. Note: do not use on glasses, floors, stairs and laminated sheets. Taski R5. What is Taski R5? Where is used? How to dilute? Taski R5 is the air freshener chemical. Area to be clean: offices, corridors, washroom. How to dilute? Ready to use, no need to dilute further. Uses of this cleaning agent: do not spray directly on the floor. Spray upward into the center of the room as required. Taski R6. Where is used? How to dilute? Taski R6 is a toilet bowl cleaner chemical. Area to be clean: toilet bowls and urinals. How to dilute? Ready to use, no need to dilute. Uses of this chemical agent: heavy diluted toilet bowl and urinal cleaner. Do not use on stainless steel, enamel, marble and tiles. Flush around bowl, especially around rim and bowl water line. Direct nozzle under toilet rim and evenly over the surfaces. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Flush toilet, push water level down with toilet brush. Taski R7. What is Taski R7? Where is used? How to dilute? Taski R7 removal of oil and grease chemical. Area to be clean: for removal of oil and grease from floor. Non-abrasive cream cleaner for water-resistant hard surfaces. How to dilute? Normal swelling 20 to 40 ml in 1 liter water. Heavy swelling 50 ml in 1 liter water. Uses of this cleaning agent: for wet mopping, take the solution bucket and mop. Rinse the mop frequently. Alternatively, use a scrubbing machine and pick up solution with a wet vacuum. Taski R9. Where is used? How to dilute? Taski R9 removal of old stain from bathroom walls and fittings. Area to be clean: fully formulated cleaner for cleaning all fittings and walls in the bathroom, sink, tap, tiles and fittings. How to dilute? 50 to 100 ml in 1 liter water as per the staining requirement. Uses of this cleaning agent: prevent scale dirt on wall fitting. Spray directly on the surface to be clean. Leave for 20 seconds. Scrub and drain plain water. Wipe surface and polish all metal surface with a clean cloth. Replace cloth regularly. Thanks.